All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do a quick video here on our contest winner. Congratulate him, Bornet. Congratulations, Bornet. You've won this week's stock contest with your stock pick PMCB. So congratulations to everybody that was following this. I'll go ahead and take a brief look at where it's at now. I said on our last stream on 12/9 to put a hold on it, but hey, he won. We're going to take a look at 12/5 when we first originally went over this. Where are we at? We're going to pull this up. PMCB at 07. The last time we took a look at it, I did not have the stock price down. So let's go ahead and jump into this. And if I can pull up that last contest results. There was Thursday, there's Friday. So this is going to be showing the winners. He was up 0.02 to 12 cents, 71% gain for that winner. Congratulations. A lot of green. Okay. I see a lot of green in these contest picks. So again, congratulations to everybody that's in the contest. I mean, the lowest gainer was 1.89%, down to the biggest loser drop off. And then you got a handful, looks like about 6 stocks with no change. So let's go ahead and take a look at PMCB, where you're standing now. So when we looked at this one again on 12/9, I said put a hold on it, PMCB, and that was over here, so you can get an idea when we looked at this last. But you know what? That doesn't matter. What I say about that right now does not matter. What matters is that this member picked a stock right here, okay, and look at what happened. So congratulations to him. Hats off. Really, really good pick. I mean, we do these contest picks. They're literally a 1 week stretch. So we're not looking for a 5-month or a 2-month gain. We've seen them. Me and Joe, we went over these picks before, where we looked into them and they're still up a couple 1,000% since their pick. So right now we're just looking at what happened last week. I mean, that's where the winner was last week. So that's what we're looking at right now. Congratulations again to everybody that watches the stream. Right now, you're getting up to that upper Bollinger Band. It's like, I don't care. I'm going to keep rocking and rolling. Keep this one on watch. I mean, looking at it right now, it looked like it recovered. I think it's going to continue to climb now. I said it over here that I would hold on it because it was starting to pull back, and it did. I mean, you hit a low that day on Friday when we did our last stream of 10 cents. And today opened up at 11.65, hitting a high of 14 cents, 14.70. Low of 10.50, 10 cents, 10.5 cents. So if you go off the pattern that you've seen here with this rebound today that you're seeing, you might start working your way back up.
So if you also look at the average volume was 8,551,651 shares per day for the 30-day, and right now they're at 8,323,885 shares traded. So I mean, they're half the day and they're already they've already basically matched their average volume per day. So I mean, the volume is coming into the stock. And then I went and looked at some of the things right here, in regards to the company. They which one? This was the one that caught my attention. PharmaCyte Biotech discusses upcoming clinical trial in pancreatic cancer with first principal investigator, and that was on December 7th.
Yeah, so he nailed that, right?
Yeah,
he nailed that.
So I mean, and then what I'm looking at over here, say when I go over to this part, let's see. October 6th. Right here. For today, there was actually news on it today. PharmaCyte Biotech secures funding opportunity for pancreatic cancer clinical trial. So they just secured their funding for their clinical trial. Let's see, what phase is it? All right, so right here, I'm just going to read the first paragraph of this right here. All the pieces are starting to fall into place for PharmaCyte's Biotech. and its upcoming human clinical trial in advanced pancreatic cancer. Just 1 week after the U.S. Food and Drug Administration granted the Biotech a pre-investigational new drug. So they basically granted them a pre-int or whatever investigational new drug. That's basically a pre-int is the abbreviations for investigational new drug. Meeting to discuss the company's clinical trial. PharmaCyte qualified to use its multi-million-dollar at-the-market funding arrangement with Chardon Capital in order to enroll every single patient into its upcoming clinical trial. So that's big right there. And that's why you're seeing that right there as well, like the increase in volume and everything. So I mean, yeah, great job over there. Was it Byton? Bilton?
Bornet.
Burnett.
So yeah, I mean, you see them right here. Everybody that's watching, you got 46%, 43, 71 top gainer for the week. I mean, you can't beat that 71% 1 week. And what the best part about that, Joe, is that I mean, this was where it was picked, like I said. But there's so many opportunities here. So many. I mean, just back and forth. So congratulations again. That is stock ticker symbol PMCB, and we will be getting your t-shirt out to you as soon as possible.